Hey guys, this is Panchi and you are on my channel Crude and Careless. So I have received some comments on my skincare videos and I'm so happy because you guys want me to make more such videos. In fact, some of you have even suggested topics. Now for this video, I have selected one such topic from your suggestions and I'm going to share some home remedies, face washes and moisturizers for acne prone skin. So please watch this video till the very end. And before we start, please subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon and stay connected for more such content. Now let's get started. So first I want to specify before everything that if you have acne prone skin, pimples or similar skin issues, then you need to take care of your digestive system. Keep your digestive system healthy. Only then you will be able to maintain healthy skin. Second and most important, please don't apply makeup on acne and pimple to hide them, because you will apply makeup to hide them, then you will get more acne. This is like a circle, it will go on repeating itself. I'm not saying you can't apply makeup, but first let your skin heal at least. In order to get rid of acne, you have to keep your skin healthy and free from dirt and germs. Whenever you go out, you have to clean your face with a gentle and mild cleanser as soon as you come back home. There are so many mild and gentle face washes and cleansers available in market. You can use any cleanser that suits your skin. I'll suggest 3 face washes that I think are really good and very mild and very good for acne prone skin. So first one is this one from Neutrogena. This is Deep Clean Facial Cleanser. This is good. This is very mild. Then second one is this one from Body Shop. I'll provide all the details in the description box below. You can check that out. Third one is this one from Cetaphil. I think this is the best one. If I have to suggest just one cleanser, then I'll suggest this one, because this is very mild and it doesn't feel like soap. It doesn't have any fragrance and it is best as per my knowledge for acne prone skin. Mostly people believe that they shouldn't moisturize their skin if they have acne because oily skin increases acne. But this is just a myth. You first need to clean your skin, then moisturize it, because oily plus dirty skin means increased bacterial growth and increased acne. But clean and moisturized skin means healthy skin. So first clean your skin. You can use so many different moisturizers. I'll suggest 3 moisturizers. First is this Pond's one. Pond's Super Light Gel. It moisturizes your skin without making it very greasy or oily. Second is this one from Neutrogena, Hydro Boost Water Gel. It is almost similar to Pond's one, slightly better and also expensive. Third is this one from Vaseline, Intensive Care Aloe Fresh. This is basically a body lotion. I use it for my face and entire body. Now I'm going to share 3 home remedies that you need to use regularly, at least for a month, to get clean, beautiful, acne-free skin. For the first remedy, we'll make a face pack using Fuller's Earth, also called Multani Mitti or Gachni Mitti, and has many other names. Then we'll add neem leaf powder to it. You can make this powder by drying neem leaves in shade and then grinding it. Next, little bit of turmeric powder, also called haldi, and then rose water. You can use homemade rose water for better results. I'll soon share a video for homemade rose water on my channel. It is a very easy and quick process. Now we'll apply this pack. You have to apply this pack at least thrice a week to see results. Let it sit on your skin for at least 10 minutes. Since this pack dries very quickly, so I use a spray bottle like this with some water. Fuller's Earth in this pack will control excess sebum production. Neem and turmeric have antibacterial and antifungal properties. If you want to buy neem leaf powder or Fuller's Earth that I'm using, I'll provide the link in the description box below. You can buy it from there. Moving on to the second home remedy. This is green tea. You have to brew unflavored green tea for this remedy. Then let it cool down. Dip few cotton pads in it. Green tea contains polyphenols and 6 different type of catechins. It is even said to fight against skin cancer. It reduces redness and irritation, treats acne and moisturizes your skin. Now place these cotton pads on affected area for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Relax for some time. Now for the third remedy, we need fresh aloe vera leaf. Cut it like this. We need the gel inside it. Aloe vera has antioxidants, enzymes, vitamin A, vitamin C, and is highly anti-inflammatory. It helps treat acne, burns, and dry skin. Every night, apply this on your entire face or just the affected area and go to sleep. Please note that I am not an expert. I am sharing what I have learned through my experience, and please do a patch test before you apply anything that I'm sharing with you guys. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, suggestions, or if you just want to talk to me, leave your comments down below. Hope to meet you again in the next video.